So on my last visit, guys, this is Arleathia. Thank you for coming. For Project Dress a Girl, I always used one simplicity pattern. And on my last video, I showed you these three patterns. And I've been scouting around, and these patterns came from Walmart. And I've been scouting around since then at the Hobby Lobby for the 99-cent sale. I scanned through the drawers until I got tired to find me some more dresses that I could use for Project Dress a Girl. As you know, the sewing season for Project Dress a Girl is getting ready to come to it. Closing, but I want to have a variety of dresses, not just that one pattern. So the first one is McCall's 57.97 that I found. I think it's a nice pattern to use, and it even has shorts, but we are not doing shorts for Project Dress a Girl, so it's a dress view B and E. I like the little collar top part here with the little T-straps on both of them, and you can add pockets. So this is called Children's and Girls Tops, Dresses, Shorts, and Pants. And this pattern runs from a 8 to a 14. I'm loving it. Nice, nice, nice look. Here's the line art. Let's see what's going on inside so you can see it better. I mean, I really dig down in those drawers until I got actually tired. But I wanted some cute little dresses to mix and match with what I already have. More details and more ruffles and bows and buttons. So this is what the inside is looking like. And that's McCall's 5797. Let's see if they have a rating on here. No. All right, so the next one has easy right at the top on the front. This one has a scarf. I like this. This is knit, and you got the little tights to go with it, or leggings, short sleeves. Yeah, ruffles. This is good. M6275. I like it when I saw it. And plus, you got girls plus sizes in this selection. So, you know, you got all sizes, just children, girls, just like you have adults. I thought this would be really, really nice. So this one is a plus size pattern where you got your half sizes here. 10.5 to 16.5. Loving it. Love the scarf. Wish we could do the leggings, but we can't. So A and B cotton blends. A, B, and C cotton blends. Stable knits. Cotton gauze. So this is really nice. This will be nice in a knit. A knit here, and the bottom could be woven, can be woven. I'm liking this. Really, really, really liking this. I love the leggings. You need bias tape. And it says 2 8-inch buttons. Right now, I don't know well if the buttons are used on the dress to get in and out, but if I make A or B, I will not make the buttonholes, because you cannot have buttons, fastens, and buttonholes on the dresses. I will not be making the buttonholes, but I have to see in the directions of the pattern what's going on, whether they're using the buttons or not. So here is the line art for that. You have A, B, and C. There's the back. This is your front. This is the tie and your leggings. So moving on, and again, it's rated easy, and it's M62.75. And this is for the girls, the plus girls. The next one is McCall 7079. It's another plus size pattern. This one range from 10.5 to 16.5. Here you have these style dresses. This will be nice. And it's rated easy. And it's a pullover dress. Have back bodice in skirt variation and raised waist. Back bands, narrow hem, gather skirt, and stitched hem. So your suggested fabrics are cotton knits, interlock jersey, and novelty knits. This sounds great. Loving it. Just loving it. And I'm loving that it's a plus size. You got your half sizes on here. And you got little sleeves, and let's see the back variations. Look at that little detail there. Let's see. A is calling for, where is the fabric? Knits. So it's saying knits designed for medium weight, moderate stretch knits. Well, I guess you could use woven fabric at the bottom and knit up the top, so they could get into it's easily accessible over the head. Look at the detail on the back. I'm really loving that. These little peekaboos in the back. Then you got some lines here. V-necks here with the line and a little peekaboo. This will be nice for the older girls and the smaller ones too. But it goes from size 10.5 to size 16. So I wanted to get something that was really, really great and more up to date for these girls. They really look nice, and I know I'm gonna enjoy working with the patterns. Look at the detail on that. Really nice. Little collars with the tie. No buttons and no zippers, of course. Not for these dresses. So in addition to this stack, this is the latest stack. This is the first stack. You can go back and watch these videos. I thought that was cute, real color blocking. You got the bows and ties up here. This one, you could put a t-shirt here and use the bottom like that. So, thank you for watching. I really appreciate you all. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.